Hello everybody, my name's Danny S. Hodges, and I make and sell TV antennas and put them up in my town, and that's also the name of my channel. Today we're looking at this ClearStream right here, this ClearStream 1. I reckon you say it's a half an antenna. I'm gonna try it against a homemade half an antenna. Well, here it is right here, and we're gonna try it in real time. You know that one time I went to a store to buy a big TV, and I asked him, I said, will that TV be that plain when I get it to my house? And that's kind of the deal about this right here. Hell, you'd like to know before you bought it, is it gonna do what it's doing in the store? And we're gonna break that down. I got it hooked up outside. That way right there is Macon. It's 60 miles away. It's a long distance. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try both of these antennas in identical conditions. Now, a lot of people don't know that a homemade antenna will outdo a store-bought antenna. Very few people know that. Now, I done been messing with it some, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. This right here is just my power source to power my TV. That's all it is. I'll show it to you. Inverter and 2 motorcycle batteries. Now you see this antenna right here. Now the antenna companies don't want me to put that antenna right there upside of that ClearStream over there. And also on my channel, if you're new to this right here, I've got a $12, how to make a $12 TV antenna reflector. That's on my channel. Alright, I'm starting out with the ClearStream. You see, I'm gonna do a partial channel search. We hadn't got no analog channels, so I'm just gonna scan the digital channels, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing here, where you can see it. I'm gonna click start right there, and it's scanning. And while it's scanning, I'm gonna show you this right here. And I'm going to speed that scan up. But I'm going to show you, I don't know how to be no more fair than this. I got to do this video with the law of the West. You know what my daddy says? What you going to do? Alright, I'm going to speed this part up. But, alright, here we go. Alright, I knew it was going to do that. I had done scanned it. I got my antenna hooked up now, and you see I got it here on partial zoom. I'll show you the antenna I got in a second. I'll show it to you. It's pointed the same way and everything. And before I show it to you, it's scanning, but I want to tell you that I figured out how to make a indoor antenna that will blow every antenna that you ever seen, every indoor antenna away that you ever seen. And I got to do that, but you see right there, it's pointed, just like the way I was talking about. But yeah, I mean, a car came by, but I had figured out how to do that. All right, I'm gonna be quiet and fast forward this. Alright, you see it got 21 channels. I kind of hated to do that. I mean, I ain't joking. But now, let me tell you now, that antenna is better than that, because I tried it the other day, and it did get more channels, but it did get about, I don't know, 8 or 9 or 10 channels. And it's a good antenna for 30 miles. I ain't gonna just sit here and slam them depth, But here's what I am trying to say about that antenna. When I was trying it the other day, it missed the VHF channels. And that's the part right there that would do me in. It might be fine 30 miles away, but I know what it is 60 miles away now. Hey y'all, I'm just sitting here. I figured I'd tell y'all a few things. And this is the video here that you just watched. I'm putting together. That line right there is in my computer from putting up so many TV antennas and toting this thing around. This is the last video I done on this channel. Y'all, I know so much about YouTube, I just can't tell you what I know. I mean, it's bone crushing stuff that they don't want told. And they liable with it. Well, I'm just gonna leave it right there. Okay, I want to show you something. I want to tell you about this man right here.
Ridiculous. You know what? Asses need to be fired.
Alright. And see, here's how we YouTubers check our video. Let me pause that. This man right here is mad. Let me X that out. See the average line right here where I'm holding my mouse? Look at how high this video is compared to other YouTube videos. And let me tell you why this man's mad. If you listen to the very end where he's thanking everybody, but he can't bring himself to thank the people. He's mad. He's mad and he's blowing steam. But what he's raising hell about ain't what he's mad about. Now, and boy, I know from making YouTube videos, it's hard to make somebody do something. It's hard to get it. Well, it ain't. You can't make nobody do a damn thing. But it's hard to get somebody to do something like just as simple as subscribe and stuff like that. You can't hardly get them. Hey, I don't know, boy. But he's mad at the people that they ain't doing what he wants them to do. I know because I watch this man right here a lot. And did you know that a lot of my videos, they are above average? Almost every single one of them. And you can think about this right here, what I'm saying. Good ain't necessarily got nothing to do with it. Now, you just have to think about that. Good ain't all there is to it. Now, I'll be showing you this video right here while I'm telling you this. Reason I was talking about the man, I know that because I've tried to get y'all to go to my drum channel and just subscribe, even if you don't even care. Just subscribe just to help me get the channel going. And boy, that is very hard to lead y'all there. Alright, now let me tell you this right here about the antenna. Somebody come and got an antenna and a booster from me the other day. And it was a man that, that does his own stuff, which is all good. And he took his mama's antenna down, which was one of them big old giant V-shaped antennas. I seen it laying on the roof. And it was all being up. Them big antennas like that, they got so much wind, they drag in the wind so much, they'll tear down them ultimate antennas. They won't hardly tear down. But he called me up later on. He said, man, the antenna ain't working. And he offered to pay me to go over there. And I went over there. And first thing I done, it's not unusual to get a bad booster. First thing I done is I took another booster with me. I swapped the booster out. Went in there and checked, still bad. Checked the TV, checked everything, like all inside the house. Took my laptop in there and made sure that it wasn't in the TV. And it was, my laptop wasn't working. I mean, it was somewhere up on the roof. And I had some new transformers that I had never used before. And so I took that off and put another one on there. And I said, if that don't fix it, they ain't but one other thing that it can be. We took the TV outside under the carport. I ran a cable from the antenna directly to the back of that TV. And it worked. Now, you don't see very many coax going bad, but it did on that one. And you know, he said that it picked up better than the big one that she had before the storm damage. But anyway, that's where I showed y'all how to make a piggy bank. And this video right here you ain't never seen because it's on private. But like I was showing, like where you can put $1 a day in a bank, or $5, you know, like just try to put a little bit in there. And I got it like casino style, like where you push it in there, but you can save a lot of money like that. And here's a video where I invented a lift. And where I invented a lift, and it'll pick anything up. That big old building that you see me under out there working, I picked them 50-foot ratchets up with this thing. Hey, it'll do. It's an 8,000-pound winch. But like I'm sort of an inventor, and them logs right there is heavy now. And let me tell y'all the good news. I got some more antenna videos that I'm gonna put on this channel. It don't seem like to me there's too much need to put them on my other big channels. Then some of them antenna videos I got, they just tearing, you know, every time I drop a video in there, it sinks like a rock. It goes down to the bottom, if you know what I'm trying to say. And I reckon, you know, y'all can't watch 550,000 videos at the same time. But anyway, I'm going to kind of start loading them up on this channel. If you want to see these videos, you need to make sure that they subscribe. I know that there's a bunch of people come to this channel and watch it and leave and never subscribe. I know it. I see it all day long, all the time. You got to subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, you're going to do like that man raising hell on that video. And I reckon I'm going to show you this right here too. See, there's that winch. Hey boy, I sit around and think of stuff like that in my sleep. And when I say I think of it in my sleep, I swear, I ain't lying. Some of my best ideas has been while I was sleeping. And that might sound like a lie. But I promise you can ask my wife, Tammy, is that right?
That's right.
You hear that? She said, that's right. Hey, I do. I think in my sleep. But let me show you this right here. And then I couldn't decide which video to put on, you know, this antenna, because I got some more that you ain't never seen. But I'm gonna show you some. Alright, here's my drum channel. And y'all, I've tried to get y'all to come over here and just subscribe, even if you don't care nothing about it. But this right here is really a good channel. And it seems like to me, as much of y'all that I've tried to help out, y'all would help me some by just subscribing. Now I'll show you the most popular video on my drum channel, and it ain't doing good. But it seems like to me, as much as I help y'all out, y'all would help me out. But this right here is the #1 video on there, and boy, it's slow go. You know, you got to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, which is a lot, because this video right here, even though it's like 2.5 minutes long, the average view time on it ain't that much. Now, it seems like to me, if I was gonna watch a video, I'd watch the thing, you know. But I don't know what everybody does, you know, the reason that they don't watch a video long. You probably won't watch this in long. And take a look at this right here. You know, I told y'all before I was a computer tech, and I went a long time before I ever told y'all, because I didn't think y'all would believe me. Look, listen to the last part of this video. I'll turn it up. I made it for Halloween. Alright everybody, I'm gonna have another video in a few days. Probably by the time you see this, it's already gonna be up. Look at this back in black right here. I mean, it's killer. It is killer. YouTube's holding me down. They holding me down. If that video right there, or Highway to Hell, if that ain't the best Highway to Hell you ever seen, I'll kiss your butt. And here's me and Tammy. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna show you 10 seconds of me and Tammy about that. She was trying to see if she could mess me up without punching me in the gut, you know. Just distract me. And she did distract me on the video. She was blowing in my ear and all kind of stuff. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Peace. Love y'all.